Hello, my name is Shalene and I'm a surface pattern designer and art teacher, and I'm here to show you how to design in Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo. Surface pattern design is a great skill to have, especially if you want to design fabrics or get your work licensed by companies that will place your design on many surfaces. In this mini course, I will be teaching you how to create your own vector pattern in Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo. You will learn the steps of tracing your own drawings using a digital stylus, creating detail and colour. I will show you how to get your own inspiration from creating your own mood board and colour palette. Once you've learned this, you will have the knowledge of creating your own half drop pattern, which will then be tested onto a print on demand site. Join me on this mini course if you want to stretch yourself in pattern design in creating vector patterns for your own portfolio and work. Can't wait to see you in class.